Hi, this is Kinga from myhobbiescrochet.com. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet the even single crochet bubble stitch or the bubble single crochet. This stitch has a really great texture, built with rows and columns of bubbles. On the wrong side, it is flat. As the name calls, the bubble single crochet stitch, it is worked only with single crochet stitches, and it should not be confused with the commonly used bubble stitch worked with the double crochet. They are two different stitches. For this tutorial I am using Red Heart Super Saver yarn in colorway white and Red Heart Super Saver stripe in colorway retro stripe. I am also using a 5.5mm crochet hook, an eye hook. Now let's get started. This stitch pattern is a multiple of 2 plus 1, and you will need to add one more for the turning chain. That means that you will start with an even number of chains. For this tutorial I will chain 20. I will start with a slip knot and chain 20. The first row will be worked with single crochet stitches in each chain across, starting with the second chain from the hook. I like to work into the back bumps behind the chains. This will give me a pretty edge. So these are the back bumps. I will not count the loop on the hook. So work one single crochet into the second bump behind the chain and one single crochet into each chain across. Into the last stitch, chain 1 and turn. Count your stitches. You should have one stitch less as the foundation chains. So my foundation chain was 20 chains. I should have 19 single crochet stitches at the end of this row. The chain 1 at the beginning of each row will not count as a stitch. Row 2 will be worked alternating single crochet stitches with bubble single crochet stitches. You will work one single crochet into the first stitch and one bubble single crochet into the next stitch. To work one bubble single crochet, you will work 4 single crochet into the next stitch. So I'm working 4 single crochet into next stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will remove my hook from the loop and I will insert it back into the first from the 4 single crochet we have just made. So I count back 1, 2, 3, 4. I will insert the hook from back to front. I will grab the loop and pull it through. The first bubble is formed and it will pop on the other side. The next stitch will be a single crochet stitch into the next stitch. And again, one bubble single crochet into the next stitch. I show you again. So I'm working 4 single crochet stitches into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm releasing the hook and count back 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook from back to front, grab the loop and pull it through. Another bubble is formed and you will continue this way, working one single crochet into the next stitch and one bubble single crochet into the next one, ending the row with one single crochet into the last stitch. So one single crochet into the next stitch. As you can see, one bubble single crochet will always be between single crochet stitches. I have 2 stitches left. I will work one bubble single crochet into the next stitch, 2, 3 and 4. and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. You can continue with this color or you can change colors. If you would like to change colors, you will unravel the stitch. You will change colors at the last stitch. I'm working the stitch till half until I have 2 loops on the hook. I will not yarn over to finish the stitch. I will pick new color yarn, wrap it around the hook and pull through. So you will finish the stitch with the new color. Chain 1 and turn. As you can see, we have just formed the first bubble row. You will always need 2 rows to complete 1 bubble row. The next row, row 3, will be worked with single crochet stitches in each stitch across. I will show you the stitches. Each bubble has 2 stitches. Make sure not to lose any of them. Sometimes are a bit hard to see at the left of the bubbles. I'm starting row 3 with single crochet in first stitch and single crochet in each stitch across. If you like, you can carry the previous yarn along the side. To do that, I will work around it the first stitch, my first single crochet, then put it to the side and continue with the new color. 1 single crochet into each stitch across. I have finished the row. I have 19 single crochet stitches. I will chain 1 and turn. Row 4 will be worked again as row 2, alternating single crochet stitches with bubble single crochet stitches. I have completed row 4. I will chain 1 and turn. This is how it will look. I have completed the second bubble row. You will continue to repeat these 2 rows, one with single crochet on the right side and one with bubble single crochet and single crochet stitches on the wrong side, for as many rows as you wish. For my sample, I have made 18 rows, changing colors after each 2 rows. I have 9 bubble rows and 9 bubble columns. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.